So this is the continuous drop test machine here in our EVERWIN research lab. What we test here is the tool's durability and toughness. And today our test subject is the SN41 16-gauge stapler. Let's have a look. Now this test can be performed up to 3,000 times on our industrial graded tools, and the SN41 passed with flying colors. What sets this stapler apart from others in its class is its full metal construction, which is designed to perform in the harshest environments. Now if you want to get your hands on the toughest stapler in the market, this is your opportunity to apply with our EVERWIN Instagram giveaway campaign with details below.